Good morning, traders. So today's video is another live video. It's Monday morning, so I got 4 accounts. Let me show y'all. The funded account is only has $194 left and $582 to lose. So we're gonna trade it small, try to build it back up, hopefully. Then I got my uh, one that's close to being funded, which I need $307, I think that is. So it still got its full 2,500. Then I got my two other accounts. I'm pretty sure I didn't touch them yet. Let me check. So yeah, that's what we working with today. If we get some scalps, we gonna try to get some scalps in, get them recorded. But until we get a setup, I pause it. I got a order out here. Try to get a quick scalp off of it. So dang, it came right down. There we go. But I should have took it off as soon as it got that close to it. It didn't bounce that much, so we're gonna try to. Ooh, it kind of look a little strong, a little getting funky down there. Okay, come up for you, boy. Dang, bro, I ain't getting nothing off of that. I know, but I got my other one open over here. That's why you see me looking over to the side. So I got, dang, that's $21. If you want to look over here, let me show you my other account. I'm trying to get funded. I just got 162. So we need what, $150 to get this other one funded. So we're gonna try to get this one funded today. If I would have held it, I would have got it. But anyways, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. So I don't know why I got out of that so fast. I guess because I had 2 orders on. So that's what I'm gonna say. Like when you're trying to trade multiple accounts, same strategy for scalping, it's tough. Because if you want to check out, I got my trading view over here, and I was trading one account on that and the other one on this one, which I had the order sitting in already, and I just took it off a little too early. But yeah, like I said, uh, hey, it's going right now. I'm gonna come back once I see another setup. So we gonna go ahead and put this on pause for y'all's. Looking for a trade here. Try to get a quick scalp off. It's right. Come on now. Bounce back up some. We in. We in. You doing good. Come on. There we go. Let me see if. Yeah. Come on. Just bounce up a little bit more. My other one almost funded. I'm looking at. There we go. We just got that bad boy funded. Funded another account. Bango, bango, bongo. Let's look at that real quick. $340, $53,022. Funded another one. So tomorrow we'll have this one funded. For the rest of the day, if I take any trades, it's gonna be on a different account, one of these newer accounts. Try to get that mug going. But that 5302 all off of them quick scalps like that, just to show that you could take small trades and make some money off of them. Quick scalps get you funded. So go ahead, try to get you some find a strategy. We could take quick little scalps and stuff like that and work your way up. But until we get another trade, I'm gonna go ahead, pause that bad boy, and if we could get another one off, I unpause it. If I decide not to, then I'll just come back and end the video. I'm gonna try to get another trade though, but because I'm only up $54 on this one, I'm only risking $200 on it. So the scalps is way less because I'm trying to build it back up because I don't want to just blow it because I only got what $632 room left before it's gone. Even though I just got another one, but I'm trying to have 2 funded accounts. I ain't even doing a little double bottom. Is what got me here in the first place. Should have just been doing a quick scalps. But anyway, let me go ahead and pause it. We'll, like I said, if we're gonna end the video, I'll come back. If I get another setup, I'll come back. Either way it go, I'm coming back. I'm looking for an entry right here. I ain't even trying to trade the other accounts yet. So hopefully we can grab us a quick entry. I'm thinking about trading the way my screen is. So putting it to where it look like this instead of like this. If y'all, which one y'all think? Because after the day, I probably do this one, set up for a minute, and then it. I kind of like it, but I don't know, because you still could see everything over the top of my head. As far as up here, you still could see all of that stuff, and you get to see like my accounts and see that I switched it and everything, because that's where I got my stuff at. But I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, it done ran off, so we're gonna go ahead and pause it again, and we'll see if we can grab us another trade. I'm looking for it to pull down to these swing highs to try to catch a quick scalp off of it. This is my funded account right here, as you can see, and then I got one that's over here that's on the side that I'm trading. That's an eval. It's a different one. Let me make sure, because I don't want to be messing up what I got going on with the other one to get it funded. But yeah, it looked like it want to bounce now. I could have probably put it higher, but yeah, I'm gonna just leave it right here because you got this whole area, plus you got this 50 EMA sitting right here that it can pull into. So it's bouncing now, so it's trying to play with me. Go ahead, pause for a second again. Maybe we'll just get it, pause it when we either in or like it's got to be super close to it. So I'll be back in a second, hopefully. But that's where my order's at. Like I said, oh, it's pulling back, so we're gonna try to wait a little bit. Maybe we can get it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, come down here, bounce off that. I could take this mug up, bad boy off. See, this one I'm gonna try to manage a little bit better because it's only up $54. You're playing with me, bro. And it did bounce from right here where I could said I could have got moved my order to. Where'd it bounce? 10, 11 points. Yeah, I took it off. But come on now, you right there. Just on some playing with my emotions. That's what it is. Come on, baby, pull for me. I mean, it got plenty of red candles coming down. It rejected off of, I believe it was like an hour time frame uh, off a pivot. So that's why you see it having this pull down or this pullback. I just needed to go ahead and tap me in real quick. You could have did all that after, especially because it's at. So we got multiple confluences that's in this area. We got the 600s, 24/6. You got the 50 EMA, and then you got these pivot highs. So lining up multiple things, you can look at it as it's probably gonna have at least some kind of pull back. What time is it? Yeah, it ain't like 10, 11, 12 type stuff. It is 10:32, so you ain't gonna get that sudden spike through most of the time, unless Trump come out and say something weird or crazy. But yeah, I don't want to hold y'all too long just to wait, watch this paint dry. But that's what's happening. Paint is freaking dry. So I'm gonna just pause it. This it look like it's trying to have a little bounce anyway. And we'll come back. It's looking kind of strong. Let's get it. Come on, bro. You just tapped the MA. You could have like pushed through it a little and then did that. You know. I still like this area though. It's right at 600. So come on. We right there, bro. We right there. There we go. Now bounce. Bounce with me. Oh, that's my other one. It tapped my other one in. So either way it go, I got something going on. If it don't even want to grab that, yeah, I'm gonna take that off. Bam. This one, it just fleeced me, like it just tapped it and didn't even. I don't even know if I want to leave it on or not now. I'm gonna show y'all real quick the other one. Let me see, 23. So 147 on that one. This one looked like it wanted to tap, but now I'm like skeptical because it's at 600. I am like looking at it like it could just, it can bounce right back off of it again. So that's the only reason why, like, I ain't just stopped it. My bad. I got something else over here on the side I'm looking at. I got 3 screens, so that's why I look on both sides. Here we go. Come on, man. Just go ahead, hit through it. You want to come back up after it, but yeah, I ain't liking this. It's holding. It's playing with my order. So I might just end up waiting to the next setup because it's stupid to just keep waiting on it on what I needed it to do already. So that's putting myself in harm's way for real. What's the next one? Maybe what I want to look at. I don't know if I like it down here. Could take it if we got down here because you got this whole support area and you got the 200 sitting here. So, oh shoot, wasn't even looking at this. Come on, bro. It's like pennies away from my stuff. What's this guy down to? The low, 75. It's 75 cents away. Yeah, I missed it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that off. I ain't even trying to take it, so if I catch another trade on it, then I'll just come back over here. But I'm gonna just go ahead, pause it for now, and we'll look for another one. I did end up putting it back on, so I don't know. It's trying to push back up a little bit. I just needed to push up a little bit more. Then I'm gonna just exit this bad boy for a quick scalp. Come on, we just trying to get at least 10 points off this move. This new candle though, trying to hold below the 50. So there we go. Let's go.
Order filled.
Get that mug off. That quick little jolt, even though it was up a tiny bit more. What'd I get off on that? I can't even tell. It won't pop up now. Whatever. But yeah, we ended up taking a scalp right there, $108. Bringing the account up to 684 that we got trailing. So I'm probably gonna be done with that. If y'all like these type of videos, like I said, oh, by the way, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all did today. Today was kind of a good day. I got another account funded, brought this up a little bit more. So check out the video up in the corner if y'all like these type of videos. They authentic. I ain't sitting here doing a bunch of editing or nothing like that. I'm thinking about doing live. But like I said, I'm gonna leave a video up here. Y'all can check that out. And I'll holler at y'all later. Deuces.